Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Microsoft Teams not working. First method is click three dots, click Update and restart Teams. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display, disable device. Right-click Enable device. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Teams, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Teams, click Uninstall. Open any browser, type Teams download in browser search bar. Click Download Microsoft Teams Desktop. Click Download for Desktop. Fifth method is Open File Explorer. Click Program Files. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Windows Apps, click Properties. Click Security, click Advanced. Click Change, click Advanced, click Find Now, select your username. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Rename Teams folder name. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.